Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to the .com Lifestyle Vlog. It is, I guess, my second day here in Puerto Vallarta, and I gotta tell you, the weather here is even better than California at this moment. Yeah, check it out, check it out. I mean, it's a beautiful day. There's not a single cloud in the sky. People are already, lounging down by the pool. So today I'm gonna explore the resort a little bit, take the drone out, buzz it around, and see if I can get into trouble. Hopefully I don't. For my new viewers, my name is John Chow, and this is the .com Lifestyle Vlog. In this vlog, I give you a glimpse of my .com life. I leverage the power of the internet by selling stuff on the internet, creating systems on the internet that makes me the money so I don't have to. Like, for example, in yesterday's vlog, you saw me fly from California to Puerto Vallarta, and while I was flying in the air, made over $1,000. But that's not all. Check it out. The day ended with $2,909.25. So another $2,000. Not too bad. And so far today, I'm at looks like $180. But yeah, it's morning, and I have the entire day to have fun, live the .com lifestyle, and see what the number is at the end of the day. So come on, let's go explore around this resort. Wow, it's such a beautiful day today, and so bright. I need to turn on the ND filter, and since we're actually near the beach, it can also be quite windy. So lucky for me, I got the little wind jammers on here, so there'll be no wind noise. This is a family-friendly resort. I've been to some resorts in Puerto Vallarta that's adult only, and they're generally, well, they're not as noisy. Let's just say that. One of the 5 restaurants at this resort. Last night I had dinner on the outside patio, and here's the swim-up bar. Interesting. I guess it's kind of like a thing to do. Swim up to the bar, get a drink, and the only problem with that is I hear that some people just stay at the bar all day long drinking, and then they gotta pee, and instead of going to the washroom, this is why the water is blue, for a reason. Okay, now I just ruined myself for a swim. I don't want to do it anymore. Okay, that's interesting. Sure, why not? A lounge bed. There's quite a few of them here. See that one over there? Yeah, lounge beds. Some over there. All right, a massage. Okay, let's go find a room where we're gonna be doing a mastermind. But wait, before I do that, I'll get some lunch.
Y todos los días, every day, 6 o'clock, 6 de la tarde.
It's good for... Oh, come. You can do it.
They're pretty tame?
Yeah. Okay, come in. Bye-bye. Okay.
Like they don't try and bite at you or anything?
No.
Well, what are they gonna bite you with?
No, don't bite.
They're gonna gum you to death.
Don't bite.
So this is the room where the mastermind is going to be held tomorrow. Yeah, much bigger than the one at the resort in Costa Rica. We're expecting, well, looks like there's enough seating here for 100 people, maybe more. And they're still adding more tables and stuff too, so yeah. All right, so this will be my workspace tomorrow. All right, so right now I'm sitting in the lunch area, and I'm sitting right next to a very, very loud loudspeaker. Now, if I was recording this with the audio from the Sony camera, you probably wouldn't hear me that well because the speaker is playing really, really loud. But right now I'm recording this with the Zoom H1, and you should be able to hear my voice, and that loud music in the background is background noise. To give you an example of the difference, I am gonna turn on the mic on the Sony right now, and this is what you're hearing with the Sony. Basically, you might be able to hear me, but more than likely, you're gonna hear the background music quite loud because it is quite loud. But let's go back to the Zoom H1 now. And this is the Zoom H1, and night and day difference, isn't it, right? And like I said, right now this thing's at $70 at Amazon. Hell, I would get one, along with the giant squid lavalier mic. And you notice that I also put in the, oh well, my windsock came off, but there's no windsock. That's fine, that's fine. Anyway, so yeah, that'll be a cool little demo. Damn, this lobby is windy. It's like, check it out. It's good. It's like a natural breeze going through this lobby. I mean, it's no need for AC. However, if you're trying to do a video here, better make sure you're using Windjammer because it's gonna have some nice wind noise. Anyway, we're gonna walk over to the area where people are registering for the conference. I already met a few of the attendees, and let's see if we can meet a few more. How you doing?
Oh
Speaking of attendees, check it out.
Oh,
we have where are you from?
From Silver Spring, Maryland. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm seeing you.
Oh, okay, there you go. So one of the attendees and who just showed up. You just landed right now?
Yeah, a few
landed?
minutes ago.
All right.
Please, do you mind taking a picture?
All right, let's take
Yeah,
a picture. We gotta do that. Is that your friend?
Yes.
All right,
Can
let's
we take away with this light?
Well, take it right here. Let's take a
picture with a strange man? No, it's not a strange
right
man.
here. Here
Wait,
you go.
I see
I'm not a strange guy.
videos. That's one of our top earners.
Oh, he's rich then.
Everyone checks in here, and see, cool. There's Susan. There you go. Mama Bear. She's not Mama Bear. She's just Susan. Yeah, we know the Mama Bear's the other one. Jennifer. Yeah. That's right. So you got my bag. I don't need my
You
bag.
didn't get a bag, but you got an envelope.
I got an
Has a
envelope.
schedule.
Good stuff. And a schedule and everything.
Yep.
So we have how many people coming? 80? 80?
149.
149? Wow.
Yep.
Holy, that's awesome. So 149 people here. Definitely one of our bigger titaniums. Let me sample this.
Melancia?
Let me see what this is.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah. It's
Right out.
some kind of lemony thingamajig. I don't know. Oh well, that's enough. Let's go get the drone and buzz this hotel. All right, let's fly this thing. There we go.